A sister had just lost her younger sister to cancer. So she was going through her belongings, especially her clothes and shoes, to give to the Salvation Army. In another part of town, a single mom who loved watching movies but never found the time, nor did she have the resources to go and even catch a movie because she was too busy trying to make a living and put her only daughter through college. So she was at work, and there is another man in this story, a young man, a very ambitious young man who has been delaying going for a vacation with his family to Hawaii for the past 3 years because he was trying to secure a promotion at work. So on this day, while that sister was sorting through the belongings of her late sister, she finished sorting through the shoes, and next she opened the closet to go through her clothes. While this was happening, the old lady suffered a heart attack at work. So her other co-workers called 911 and they rushed her to the hospital. And while this was happening, her daughter, who had just collected her degree and had a little bit of pocket money saved, she was on her way to pick up movie tickets for herself and her mom. The young man, turns out, on that day got the promotion that he was working so hard for. So on his way home, he stopped at his favorite bakery, picked up a cake to celebrate the occasion and his favorite takeaway espresso coffee. And he got into his car and he was heading home. Now the sister, who was sorting through the dresses, saw that there was an unopened gift bag in the back of her late sister's closet. So she reached into it and she took it out. While this was happening, the co-workers called that old lady's daughter and told her to rush to the hospital because her mom was just admitted there with having suffered a heart attack. Now the man who got his promotion was driving home, and it so happened that he had to cross 3 traffic lights. So he reached the first traffic light and it was a green light, no cars. So he zoomed past the traffic light. He reached the second traffic light and there too, there was no cars and it was a green light. And he was just thinking to himself that this has got to be his lucky day because not only did he get his promotion, but no cars and green lights all the way. When he approached the third traffic light, it was a green light again and no cars. So he took a sip from his espresso and it spilled on himself. So when he bent down to clear the mess, he missed the light and the light had just turned red. So as he crossed over, a huge truck came and smashed into him. Simultaneously, the daughter who had bought the 2 movie tickets reached the hospital and found that her mom had died. So while she couldn't help herself and she started to tear up and she was crying. So she reached into her handbag to look for something to wipe her tears. As she pulled the tissue out, the 2 tickets fell onto the floor of the hospital. And the sister, who had found a gift bag at the back of her late sister's closet, opened the gift bag and she saw that it was a package from Victoria's Secret. And the tag hadn't even been removed from a very sexy and nice lingerie that probably her late sister had saved for a special occasion. That is the short story that I wanted to share today. just brings to mind that, like a very popular saying goes, life is what happens to you when you're too busy making other plans. This is SSS with Karma. That's Short Story Sunday with Karma. I hope you are able to derive some meaning or some value from the story that I just shared with all of you. And if you have anything to add, then don't hesitate to comment below. And if you think that this can be of value to any friend or family, then don't forget to share it as well. I'll leave you, like I always do every Sunday, with my favorite quote from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, which is, "Be kind whenever possible, and it's always possible."